have a tip. I have a... Hey guys, I have a tip for you. If you see green in their eyes, I mean, they are an anomaly. But sometimes they are not. So yeah, be careful. Also, sometimes check the security cams before doing this. Yeah, shut up. Give me your appointment. Always the first two are innocent. Okay? You will be in room 2. I'll go in room 2, guys. I'm an expert. Wait. Wait, where is he gonna go? Room 2. Yeah, you will put that. Yeah. What is it? What? I drops. The doctor is arriving. Hello, doctor. But I am just going to say, why in the lobby you're an anomaly? Oh, hello, man. Hello, nurse. Is she nanin? You want eye subs? Eye drops? Oh yeah, we can shut them. Probably putting this in this. No. Open. Let me handle this, guys. Oh, he's good. He's good, guys. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry here. I'm an expert. Wait. Can I see your... no. You kind of... I like how I can... Wait. I didn't check the security cameras. Hey, did you know, every time I play this game, I didn't even get an anomaly on the camera. Yeah, he's good. Hey man, why are you here? Man? I'm getting stressed. You look... this is where the anomalies kind of come. Kaito? Wait! Kaito! It kind of sounds like Konito. Is this Konito pet right now? Yeah, he's good. Be careful of any suspicious. Move! Nothing to see here, okay, Doc? Doc, no, nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here, guys. What do I even look like? Okay. Oh, closed. Oh, it's open. Just open it. Ah, we need a taser, guys. We need a taser, by the way. Guys. Oh yeah, you're here. Guys, don't worry about me. Just throw the guy into the trash can. Yeah, he's okay. What is this box, by the way? Wait! Check the security cameras. Did anyone see me just throw him into the trash? Oh yeah. Close. Hello, okay. Don't expect something weird about this guy. Check the photo. He looks normal. Camera down. Guys, camera down. What kind of camera is it? Up there. Man, up there. Camera fix. Yeah, I know this guy. Do not shut the shutters. Just immediately stop. Take a photo. Take a this. I don't even want to look at your picture. You don't have to do that. Every time this guy comes, he's not an anomaly. Room 7. Room 7. He's in here. Come on, guys. This guy's over here. We did it? Guys, we did it. Okay, guys, you're more better than us. I mean, you're better than me. Wash your hands. 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 Yeah, we need fire extinguisher. Get him in the trash! 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 I got the trash bin. I am called the killer of all sleeping innocent, guys. I am definitely one of the most terrifying guys here because where is he? Man, where is he? Man, where is he? Man, doctor! Doctor! Hey, you're here. Bro, what are they doing? I'm just sitting here. Wait, there's a last patient? Syrup! 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 Mr. Syrup! Mr. Syrup! Over here, man! What do you need? Herbs. We need herbs. We need the herbs! Now we need this, Ollie! The doctor is arriving. Yeah, I'm the most. Hey, am I the greatest one? Yeah, some pain. Yeah, I mean some patience, yeah. Ay! Daddy. Man, you got the taser. No. But we need it for the guy that is coming. Mr. Rat. Also a tip for Mr. Rat. Every time he comes, he's not an anomaly. Bye. Yeah, yeah.